Factors are numbers that are multiplied. Further, a factor is any number that divides another number evenly with a remainder of 0. A factorization is a way to express a number as a product of factors. A prime number is a natural number that has exactly two factors, 1 and itself. A composite number is any number other than 1 that is not prime. Prime factorization is a way to express a number as a product of only prime factors. For example, let's list all factors and then determine which factors are prime and which are composites. Numbers that divide evenly into 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. These are all factors of 12. Now let's see which of those are prime and which are composite. Recall that prime numbers have two factors, 1 and itself. 1 is neither prime nor composite. 2 only has two factors, 1 and 2, so 2 is prime. 3 has only two factors, 1 and 3, so we say 3 is prime. 4 has the factors 1, 2, and 4, so it is composite. 6 has factors 1, 2, 3, and 6, so it's composite. And 12 has the factors 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. It has several factors. It's composite. The number 48, its factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24, and 48. Now let's look at which ones are prime and which ones are composite. Again, 1 is neither prime nor composite. Prime numbers have two factors, 1 and itself. 2 is prime and 3 is prime. All of the others have more than two factors, so the others are composite. 4, 6, 8, 12, 24, and 48 are all composite because they have more than two factors. In example 2, we want to list 3 different factorizations of each number. So 24 we can write as 1 times 24. We want to write it as a product of 2 or more numbers. 24 could also be written as 3 times 8. Or 24 could be written as 2 times 2 times 6. These are all different factorizations of 24. For 60, we could rewrite 60 as 1 times 60, or we could rewrite it as 2 times 30. Or if we wanted more than two factors, we could try 2 times 3 times 5 times 2. In these examples, we want to write the prime factorization of a number. Starting with 56. It can sometimes be helpful to create a tree when we're trying to find all of the factors. So let's start with the smallest factor other than 1, 2. We're looking for prime numbers. So 2 goes into 56 28 times. So we can think of that as 2 times 28. Now 28 is not prime, so we'll break it up. 2 times 14. And then 14 is composite, so we can break it up into 2 times 7. So 56 can be written as 2 times 2 times 2 times 7. We're looking at the bottom of the tree here. 2 times 2 times 2 times 7. Another way of writing that, since the factor 2 occurs 3 times, we can write that as 2 cubed times 7. And that is the prime factorization of 56. For 360, again, we can use a tree. Start with the smallest prime, 2. 2 goes into 360 180 times. 180 is divisible by 2, so we'll do 2 times 90. And then 3 times 30. 3 times 10. And 10 can be broken up into 2 times 5. So 360 has the prime factorization 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 2 times 5. We can rewrite that. 2 occurs 3 times. That is 2 cubed times 3 squared times 5. We have the prime factorization of 360.